Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. It seems it has started. Okay, so if you are facing any difficulty in watching this thing, just let me know. Okay, let me first check whether the live is going smoothly. So not it showing it the mobile. Anyone else watching this? It has started, right? It is showing excellent connection. Okay, let me check that. Okay, so if anyone else is watching this live and if you were able to listen, just let me know about the quality of audio. Okay, I checked it, it's going fine. Okay, it seems that screen sharing, everything is okay. Okay, so today I'm doing it from OBS Studio. Okay, I haven't switched on that camera so that I can full screen show that screen. Okay, um, particularly this particular live is to talk about one-on-one coaching. Okay, especially for teaching AI, artificial intelligence. Let me give some full details so that you can easily understand my plan. In the past few months, almost for 6 months, I have been spending a lot of time and effort for coming up with this particular AI course. Okay, here this link I provided in the description. Okay, this AI course has more than 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos teaching AI. Okay, especially for beginners, and it has 9 AI related ebooks. I will show the things. Already I listed these things. Here I will show. These are the videos, tutorial videos, starting from what is AI, understand AI basics, best practices and tips for using ChatGPT and Gemini, famous and useful AI tools, Notebook LM, prompt engineering, AI hallucinations, unlocking the power of AI for digital marketing, creating MCQ quiz using Google Gemini, use Google Gemini to earn money online, Twitter promotion using Google Gemini, prompt Gmail Docs Drive with Google Gemini. So mostly like prompt engineering, Gemini, ChatGPT, that kind of stuff. Other than that, what is AI, that kind of stuff. Okay, so AI tools. Up to this point, it will be more useful for beginners, right? Then it includes other things for developer perspective also. Google Teachable Machine, okay, and machine learning versus deep learning. Ultimate list of AI tools and sample conversation with ChatGPT app, Google AI Studio tutorial, creating subtitle files locally using OpenAI's Whisper model. These are useful for simple things, but still useful for AI development, right? And Python for AI developers. Okay. Here I covered a lot of Python libraries that are useful for doing AI development. So instead of just doing analysis, you can straight away buy it because it is just 300 rupees only as of now during this offer period, and you can check it. Okay, or you can check the preview videos from my Udemy course also. The same course I provided in the Udemy also, but for purchase I would suggest buying from my blog. That will be giving very huge discount offer to you. And the Python and TensorFlow, a model training, a model with Google Colab, scikit-learn, and AI jargon for beginners, Hugging Face tutorial, deploying an AI application, and TensorFlow playground, RAG, retrieval augmented generation. It's a full-fledged tutorial. Okay, so that you can easily learn RAG from that. The RAG is very important, as I explained in my previous live sessions. Okay, and Google Gemini Gems, getting started with Google Gemini API. ChatGPT creates marketing images, and these are all more useful. AI agents tutorial, okay, with the LangChain, AI chatbot tutorial with the Streamlit Hugging Face deployment, okay, and computer vision using YOLO and RoboFlow, MCP, and LangGraph. Okay, so starting from very beginning up to latest things, but from beginners perspective, beginner friendly tutorials. Okay, and similarly the ebooks also, like in the here you can see the Udemy things, right? I actually provided some free download ebooks also. Suppose if you are visiting here, you can download free ebooks and you can share it with others also, so that my course can be spread, right? So that is the reason why I'm offering books, free books here, but it is very limited time only, just to promotional purpose. Okay, so it is getting good ratings, like 4.5 ratings from 16 people. Okay, that ebooks are Unlocking AI. That ebook includes beginner friendly content as well as advanced content also. It's a full-fledged ebook, a very useful one. And Mastering the Art of Talking to AI, it's about prompt engineering. And Mastering SQL, it's a full, like starting from beginners and medium level and advanced level, including AI related things. Okay, SQL also plays an important role in case of AI developments. And there is from career perspective also, it's important, so I included that book also with the AI course. Okay, Unlocking Google Gemini, Python for AI developers, RAG, separate book for RAG. Okay, Emerging AI Trends in 2025, AI for entrepreneurs, Mastering Agentic AI. So a lot of books are included, but I created few more books also, but that books I included in the Amazon's KDP Select, so I cannot include in my AI course. Okay, they are exclusive to Amazon, but Amazon is offering an option for providing one option for making that free. So today I made this AI FAQ, this latest book, as free. Okay, so you can freely download it. Suppose if anyone wants to download it, I will share the link here. Okay, you can freely download it. If you feel that it will be useful, just share it with your friends also. And yesterday I did around 3 hours of YouTube live. Okay, in this particular YouTube channel I did 3 hours live to explain about that ebook. So basically explain about AI. Okay, so you can check that also here. Check the live tab. Okay, so this is currently going on. And that yesterday's live, yesterday I did 2 lives. Okay, this one is about affiliate program. So previous one, freely download the ebook AI FAQ on August 10th to 12th at Amazon, right? That video was 3 hours, more than 3 hours. Okay, so I explained a lot of things about AI. If you are interested, you can watch that. I will copy the link and share it through the chat window. Okay, let me check it here, right? So you can check this also. I will remove that seconds. Okay, so or you can just go through that live tab and then you can check that. Okay, so these recorded courses I created with a lot of effort. Okay, in a useful way, but again still it is a recorded course only, right? You cannot get guidance, right? In that case I created this GenAI webinar. Okay, it's a live. I scheduled it to do it on coming Saturday, August 16th. If you are interested, you can register for that. For buying this recorded course and this GenAI webinar, if you have any dilemma which you want to use, I would suggest joining GenAI webinar. Okay, whether that live is going on. 1 second, I will be checking. Okay, so live is going on, but that page is not loading. The problem with Blogger. Okay. Okay, so here if you want to buy this recorded course, you can buy it at any time. Okay, it is a recorded course, self-packed course. You can learn based on your own convenient timing. Okay, so no restrictions in that perspective. But it is still recorded course, right? So if you are stuck in somewhere and if you need guidance, it is difficult to get that, right? So in that case, it is better to join this GenAI webinar. Okay, it's a good opportunity. because I'm doing it as a live on coming Saturday, and you can enroll there. Okay, but later on, if you want to learn AI, maybe you can get this recorded course. The reason is if you join that GenAI webinar, I'll be providing access to the recorded course also. So in that case, no need to separately buy the recorded course. That is the reason why I'm highlighting that point. Okay, and I don't know why that particular page is having problem, or all the pages are in the Google itself not working. Google is working. So there is some problem with my blogger then. Okay, then actually that courses are available at my website rajamanikam.com also. Suppose if you face any difficulty with my blog, actually the blog, it's a highest priority one, especially if you are in India. So it's loaded, it seems. Okay, here also it got loaded. Okay, so if you are in India, you can buy it from my UPI ID. I provided my UPI ID, InstaMojo link, whichever is suitable for you. I prefer UPI. Okay, without any commission, you can directly make the payment to my UPI, right? So you can scan this, or you can use this, or like after making the payment, you need to contact me for getting the access link. It is very important. It's not automated, but if you want automated thing, then you have to go to rajamanikam.com. But it should be it is a bit expensive because of the commissions or the fees involved with Gumroad. Okay, so then that case, the best thing is just to come to my blog. For coming to my blog, as I explained, you have to search QPT space blog, okay, on Google. It will show my blog, blog.qualitypointtech.com. You can click that, and you can come to my blog. Here you can read a lot of things, okay, and here at the top you can find the links for getting my recorded course, as well as for registering to my GenAI webinar. Okay, as I said, if you have the option to join the GenAI webinar, I would recommend that one, because just for 500 rupees you'll be getting the recorded course access, as well as 3 hours of that hands-on live webinar. Okay, and I believe it's a good approach. Okay, so this is the overall background about my AI course, other things. So basically I have recorded AI course, and I am doing webinar, live webinar also. But here the problem is that live webinar timing may not be suitable for you, right? And in case of recorded course, though I put lot of effort to create that, if you have any specific questions, it is difficult for you to proceed further. So if you get clarifications immediately, then proceeding with the next things will be more effective, right? Or if you are doing some kind of coding, and if you are stuck in somewhere, or if you are finding difficulty in setting up environment and that kind of stuff, like guidance will be more suitable, right? In case of webinar, as I said, it is like a specific time only, right? In that case, now I decided to start doing one-on-one coaching also, because I already spent a lot of time in creating recorded course, and right now I have free time, because I almost added a lot of blog posts, and it's like almost saturated, right? So like more if I keep on adding more content, people may not be interested in that course, because already it crossed 8 hours of tutorials, 9 ebooks. That is more than enough. So I am just deciding to put a hold in updating my recorded course, but I will be updating it if there is a need, if there is some new topic, hot topic is coming, or if there is some anything is getting outdated. That things I need to reflect in my course, right? So that is a different thing. That mandatory things I will be doing. But other than that, keep on putting a lot of tutorials will discourage the people to read more, right? In that case, as I said, I will be doing the updations, but I'll be slowing that. Okay, so in that case, I have say enough time for other tasks. I'm exploring two things. One is doing a consultancy and a development. Another one is this one-on-one coaching. So, say for example, you are buying my recorded course and you have some questions, you can contact me by booking my time. You can book my time even for 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. But there is no option to split the 1 hour. Say for example, if you are booking for 1 hour, if you are attending a session for 20 minutes only, then that it will be considered as 1 hour. Okay, so you can book a minimum 1 hour also, but the session period is minimum 1 hour. Okay, so that otherwise people will be just for 2 minutes if they are pinging me, and because that for that I need to set up everything like Google Meet or something, right? That that is in the standard. Okay, so minimum hours, so you can set it for minimum 1 hour, and as well as the session period is minimum 1 hour. Okay, we cannot split it. Okay, and again I would suggest first to get my recorded course. It is very inexpensive, right? So just learn by yourself, and if you have any questions, maybe you can contact me. That is one approach. Or if you're starting from the beginning, if you want to learn personally, if you can afford for that, you can also contact me. And especially if you have plans for doing any kind of AI implementation for your business, in that case it will be more suitable, because personally I can teach you and you will be getting some familiarity with AI development, and you can explore about implementing AI for your business. Okay, for any kind of business we can effectively use AI. Okay, and in the long run, if you want to outsource the task, you can I can do it based on hourly charges again. So that will be transitions will be happening very smoothly. It will be very effective. Okay. And other than that, if you are looking for from career perspective or for learning for a job or something, in that case I would suggest just first buying my recorded course and joining my webinars, that and all. If you still have some questions, maybe you can book 1 or 2 hours, and you can we can have a detailed discussion, okay, clarifying the questions. And by the meantime, you can go through my live. I already did a lot of live, as I said earlier. Yesterday itself I did 3 hours of live talking about question and answers about AI. So that will be more useful, I believe. And a few days back I did around 4.5 hours of free webinar to teach AI basics, everything about AI. Okay, but it's a very quick one. Okay, and that is why in that paid session I just focusing more on Gen AI only. I'm not going to teach things, because mostly people who already who are familiar with AI only mostly joining that kind of things, right? So I don't want to again explain the basics. Okay, in that case, if you are not familiar with basics, better you can first go through my recorded course. Okay, so if you are joining my Gen AI webinar, you will be provided with access to my recorded course also, right? So in that case, that will be a good approach. So just join to my Gen AI webinar and get access to my recorded course, go through the videos and the ebooks, and attend the webinar, ask your questions. Okay, but still if you need any kind of specific guidance or any information or any discussions, you can book my timing. Okay, one-on-one coaching, but I plan to do it for only for very limited level only. So because I need to personally spend time, right? And regarding charges for one-on-one coaching, actually I used to charge $12 per hour. In India, 800 rupees per hour for doing development. Okay. Initially I would like to continue this for one-on-one coaching also, $12 globally and 800 rupees in India. Okay. But as I suspect here, you need to check my availability before booking my time. Okay. So suppose if I am engaging with other task, I cannot spend time. So just check with me before making payment for things. For other things, recorded course and webinar registration, you can do, because I already allocated time for that things, right? So and, in case of recorded course, I need not spend time. Okay. Only thing is I got to just send access link. And that too, if you are making the purchase from rajamanikam.com, it will be done automatically. Okay. But what I'm highlighting here is in case if you plan for one-on-one coaching, just to check the availability of my time before making the booking. Okay. And this price, the fee is, as I said, it is like it's a default thing. But if I have more time, free time, things, I may give some discount also. Or if that learning process is useful for me also, in that case also I can consider giving some discounts. Okay. But right now that default price is this one. But if I am getting more demand for this, maybe I can increase the timing also, so that or I can increase the fees. Okay. But right now my plan is I plan to spend 1 or 2 hours for one-on-one coaching. Suppose if you want to make use of that opportunity, you can book my time after checking the availability with me. Okay. And evening time already I am doing live coaching, that is from India time. It will be around 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. So that time I cannot spend, and the other timings maybe we can explore. Okay. And weekends like Saturday, I plan for that kind of webinars. Okay. Live webinar. So other timings we can discuss. Okay. But as I said, it is for 1 or 2 persons only. Mostly I'll be giving preference to the business people who want to outsource their task in the coming days. Okay. It's a kind of just as a lead generation for building my team again. Okay. But right now I will be personally spending my time. Okay. Anyone has any question? So I'm noticing that when I do the live through like YouTube web interface, a lot of people are joining. If I do it from OBS Studio, there is no okay. Okay, I'll be stopping here. If there are any questions, you can contact me.